Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a fun video. This is a challenge. There's Ava. This is actually a $20 Sprouts grocery shopping challenge that was created by Kimberly from Style Mom XO. She just tagged me in her video from like a week ago. So I am here at Sprouts. It is Wednesday. On Wednesdays they do some extra sales, like you can kind of check their ads the day before, and they have like some extra sales on produce. So we're gonna see what we can get in here for $20. I'm gonna basically, I believe the challenge is just get as much as you can, and hopefully you can make a few meals out of it, or you know, some sides for your meals, stuff like that. So I do need some new produce, and Sprouts is a farmer's market and it is good for that. This is actually my first time coming to Sprouts. I tag you guys to do this $20 Sprout challenge. See how much you can get for $20 at your local Sprouts if you have one. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into this video. If you're not subscribed, you guys hit that subscribe button. Join my family here on YouTube. We have a lot of awesome lifestyle videos coming, and I have some down in my description box you can check out to kind of catch up. So anyway, give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this fun experiment and experience. And we're gonna go ahead and haul everything at the end, of course.
Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for love, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline. Don't get in our way, 'cause we won't waste more time. We will go our way.
Alright you guys, so I'm back home and I'm going to show you the things that I got, and I did go over my $20. And I actually went over my $20 quite a bit. I spent $27. So yes, that is it. So all I have to say is that I absolutely love Sprouts. If I had to pick between Sprout and Trader Joe's, it would definitely be Sprout. It had all of the gluten-free options, healthy foods, matcha teas, your farmer's market like produce part, and all of that good stuff. I absolutely thought that was an awesome store. If you had to choose, you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you would prefer, which one you prefer, Trader Joe's or Sprouts. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I got. I have my little receipt here so I can tell you guys prices and stuff like that. So the first thing I got were two packs of these Grape Tomatoes. It's one dry pint. So I got these two, and they were 2 for $3. So that's why I got 2 of these, and I put these like in my salads and stuff like that. So all kinds of stuff. Then the next thing I got for $1.71 is some of this sliced white cheddar cheese to go with our burgers. So I am just gonna have like a lettuce burger, but I like to definitely put some cheese on it. And then for like our sandwiches and things like that, we've been eating a lot of sandwiches and trying to not eat out. Hi. Oh, hi. Pound of these strawberries. So these were $1.25. To be honest with you, picked those? Okay, to be honest with you guys, I don't feel like my produce at my Sprout had any great deals or anything. Everything was super generic, almost the same as the price from Target and from Fry's where I usually go. So that's just what I noticed today. It might not just be like a sell day. The next thing I got were eggs. These I needed. So I went ahead and got them, but they were $2.19, which is not a great deal because I can get like a big pack of 18 eggs for this price. at like Fry's and Target. So I didn't win there at all, but I needed eggs, so I went ahead and bought them anyway. And then the next thing I got were one of these watermelons, which I bought this for $1.98, which I didn't think was that bad for a medium-sized watermelon. So that I feel pretty good about. Okay, so this is where I messed up. I just realized that this whole bag of potatoes cost me like $6.29, and the sign that I read, it didn't say that, so I guess I read it wrong or whatever, but I thought these were only gonna be a couple of dollars, so I definitely could have saved if I went and bought they had some red potatoes that were just a little bit bigger than this, that you can actually like pick out which ones you want. It was like $2 for a pound or something, so I definitely should have got that. And then I just went ahead and got an onion, which this was 45 cents, so that was fine. And then unfortunately at my Sprout, the avocados weren't on any kind of deal. These two together were $2.50, so no sale or anything spectacular there. Then I did get these bananas. They were 59 cents a pound. So the bananas were a legit price. So then I got a big bag of grapes. And last but not least, for my $27, I got a thing of chicken breast. So this was $5.67, and it was $1.99 a pound. So then I got some chicken for dinner tonight with some of these potatoes here, and then a veggie, which I have veggies, frozen veggies. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. I definitely failed because I spent more than $20. I feel like I got a good amount, but also I went over. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, let me know down below if you like Trader Joe's or Sprouts better. I definitely love Sprouts and will be going there very soon and getting more stuff that's not in my $20 budget, because I've seen so many things there that I liked that I wanted to get, but I needed to stick to what we were doing. So anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.